Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a little video showing you some of the goodies from the Pinkfresh Studio Create Connect that was just 2 weekends ago. So let's go. Okay, so the Pinkfresh Studio Create Connect was February 15th and 16th, and this is the printed booklet that we got. This was my first time doing one of these events, and I was really concerned about how much money it cost, but I was really happy with everything. So I'm going to show you one class at a time what we got. Everything came in these little pouches. So first class was run by Yana Smakula, and it was the birthday balloons stamp set. You got the coordinating stencils, coordinating die, and this stencil is 5 pieces. And then I have a couple of the cards that we made in class. These were probably the only ones that I followed like almost exactly, but you can see you get the balloons and you get some additional little pieces, and everything gets cut out with the die cuts, which is really nice. It's a 1-piece die cut, a couple sentiments in that set. So that was the first class. All of the classes were 2 hours, like I mentioned, and everything comes in these little pouches for storage, which again was really fantastic. The second class was with Bridget Casey from Altenew. And I have taken everything already off of and out of its packaging just to store easier because it was getting to be a bit too difficult to get in and out. So this is the stamp set that we got from Altenew. Briar blossoms, really pretty. And that also comes with the matching die to cut out all of those flowers. And then you got the coordinating embossing folder, which was really cool, set up so that you can also just die cut the embossing, which I really love that idea. And you got the coordinating stencils, and this is a 4-piece stencil set. So some ideas on how to use it from Altenew. And here are a couple of the cards I made from class. I did not copy what they did exactly. I kind of did my own thing a little bit. This shows you, this was just the stencil. Then we embossed it and die cut it. And this is sentiment is from a different set. And then this one we did some embossing on vellum, and then I die cut some of the embossing as well on white. So that gives you an idea of that class. That was class 2. And class 3 was the last class of Saturday, and that class was run by Heather Hoffman, I believe. And this one, Pretty Blooms, you got the stamp set. Might be easier to see. Here's the image on the back of the die packaging. You've got the coordinating dies. So this is actually, this is one solid piece here, and then this is a piece, and then, so it's actually only a 4-piece stamp set. Coordinating dies. And then the 6-piece stencil set, and coordinating washi tape, which is really incredible. And the washi tape has some gold foiling in it. I think you can see that. I did not finish any of the cards from class, but here you can see we've die cut some of the washi, and the die cuts work on the washi, which is super cool. So we die cut some of the washi. I just have not actually put that together yet. And then this is with some ink blending using the stencils. You can see those little pieces there. So really pretty. I'm just slacking and haven't finished making the cards yet. But there's the stamp set with the stencils and the dies and the washi. And that was the end of the first day of classes. Second day, we woke up with Raquel and the Majestic Swan set, which I didn't think I was gonna like, I'll be honest. When it came in the kit, I thought for sure I was never gonna use it. It is one cling stamp, so it's rubber but cling mounted, which is nice. And then it has the coordinating stencils and dies. And here is just a little example of how they use it. 1, 2, 3, 5-piece stencils. And this is one of the cards I made. Again, this is using ideas from the class. This is not an exact copy of what we did in the class, but I did some embossing there. And this is embossed. Everything was embossed and then colored using the stencils, and then die cut and then just mounted. And that was one of the cards from Raquel's class. And then the other card we did was a Z-fold card, which was really cool. Different colors, but everything was the same from the set. So we did a little Z-fold, which is super fun. And I was really surprised at how much I liked this set. Pleasantly surprised. So that was the first class, class 4, on Sunday. And then class 5 was with Lea Lawson, who I believe that was her last class with Pinkfresh. So this is the butterflies in a cloche set. You get the butterflies, 5 pieces, the 4 sentiments and the butterflies. 6-piece stencils to color in, and then you also, in addition to the stamped image, okay, you get this cloche. So here's their example. Okay, we got all the pieces. And then this is one of the cards that we made. Again, this was based off of Leah's card, but I kind of went my own direction a bit. But you can see the stencils add all of this shading and interest here, and we actually did some embossing through one of the stencils, which was pretty cool. Okay. So that was, there's some more pieces. And this is another card that I made using this set. This just uses the flowers and the butterflies. And I did some embossing on that one. And stencils, and then die cut everything. So that was the second class on Sunday. And then the last class was with Jennifer McGuire, who kind of brought everything together. So first I'll go over the rest of what was included in the kit. You got these ephemera, scripted sentiments. So I haven't really broken everything down yet, but there you get an idea of what's in it. We got some pre-cut glitter cardstock. These are 4 1/4 by 11-inch pieces. So we got gold, this champagne color, which is like a silver, this really pretty blue, some pink, and then this purple, and then this very vibrant one. So I've used very little of it, but this is this color on this card here. So we got that, and then we got a sentiment stamp set. This is Hope You're Smiling. Hope You're Smiling. And it has coordinating die cuts for everything, which again, very nice. So you see everything kind of lines up there. And then we also got this diamond background builder stencil, which I love the fact that everything is separate, so you can just do the stripes one way, stripes another. It also has dots, which where is the card here? I used just the third layer where you get this almost like fleur-de-lis design, so you can see that there. And then on this card I used just the dots, just that layer of the stencil. And then we also got another set of dies that cut out these framed shapes, which is pretty cool. And we use those on a lot of cards. Again, used a couple to cut out this frame on this card, this frame on this card. So Jennifer McGuire and her class, we did this really amazing pop-up card. So here's just the stripes of the stencil. This is from the sentiment set that we got. This is from Butterflies in a Cloche. And then we made this amazing pop-up card, which is pretty incredible. And this is from one of the sets. I think it's actually the Butterflies set. And then the balloons from Yana's class. And she showed us how to do this incredible pop-up mechanism, which is so cool. So cool in real life. And it folds pretty flat for mailing. I added some dimension on the top, but you could still get in an envelope and maybe a little additional postage. So that was the weekend. It was fantastic. Again, it was my first time doing a Pinkfresh event. I really felt like it was a good value for everything that we received. I got lots of really great ideas. You got this printed book with ideas for other cards, plus there's videos. I haven't even started on some of these make and takes yet. I felt like it was really good bang for your buck, and it was a lot of fun. So thanks for watching.